It's your homeless friend Kai again with another update on Hurricane Lane. I am right smack dab in the middle of Maui. It is 5 p.m. and it's still the same pretty much any other day except for there's clouds in the sky. Very little wind. In fact, I've had more wind like on a regular day. Savannah doesn't seem to be worried. We're out here squatting in the bomb shelter. Absolutely nothing going on. They closed the banks and the Maui scooter shack, so I can't get my scooter until probably Monday. So I'm stuck without transportation because of this huge, devastating hurricane. Anyway, please like, share, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but if I get 1,000 subscribers, eventually YouTube will start paying me, and I need to have a paycheck soon. My membership to the Maui Makers is coming up for dues again. And that's like the only place I have that I can work. It costs me $60 a month. But they have all the tools I need to build anything I want to build, and my phone bill is coming up, and without my phone I can't make these wonderful videos and put them up on the internet for you, and that's $80 a month. So, please subscribe. I need money. If you'd like to donate, check the description. I guess I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.